Noah, look at the fool!
He thinks he's building for God.
They laughed at Noah because rain didn't exist. The world was loud, busy, certain tomorrow would look the same as today. Noah wasn't a king or a warrior, just a man who heard a warning and believed it. God told him to build an ark on dry ground. People mocked him. Years passed, still no rain, but Noah kept building. Then the sky changed. One drop hit the dust. Laughter stopped. Water fell from above and rose from below. The ark they mocked became the only refuge. Warnings don't feel urgent until it's too late. Subscribe now for the full story of Noah and his ark. The journey starts here. Biblical Life.